Hey guys! Okay, so this is what you will need. A simple hairband. 2 bobby pins. By the way, this is optional. And 2 hair ties. Okay, so first you have to comb your hair. Then you put the hairband on. Now it should look like this. Now you can secure the sides of the headbands with 2 bobby pins. Optional. Now split your hair into 2. Split the hair into 2. Now tie your hair into 2 pigtails or ponytails. You're done!